Hello everybody, I'm Elijah, and this is how to draw a head, or at least how I draw heads. Now my tablet has been acting up, so I am sorry about that. I have pre-drawn all the lines that you're going to need for this, and I'm just going to walk you through each line individually. So first thing we're going to want to do is this circle. So just draw a circle. It just needs to resemble a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. This isn't perfect, and it took me many tries to get even to this point. Next, we're going to do a vertical line right down the center of the circle. After that, we're going to do a horizontal line down the center of the circle. Now let's do two horizontal lines. One is going to be on the bottom, intersecting the bottom of the circle, and one is going to be intersecting the top of the circle. After that, we're going to do the same thing, but they're going to be vertical lines intersecting the right side of the circle and the left side of the circle. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video and play it when you're ready. Okay, so after we get those two sidelines down, we're going to do this line in between the bottom of the circle line and the center line that we had drawn there. And then we're going to draw a horizontal line between the center line and the top of the circle line. Now each of these are going to represent different parts of the head. This bottom one here is going to be the mouth line. This other one here is going to be the nose line. The third one up from that is the eye line. This fourth one is going to be the hairline, and this up here is going to be the top of the head. So now we're going to draw a line right outside the bottom of the circle, down in the center, continuing the center vertical line. And it's going to be the same, roughly the same length as the length from the bottom line to the mouth, to the nose line that I mentioned earlier. And then we're going to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of that vertical line that we just drew. Now we're going to break the bottom of the circle line into sixths. Oh, that's hard. Sixths. Just break them up into equal sixth pieces. Now we're going to draw a line about 45. It's about a 45-degree angle, but if you don't want to get out a protractor or ruler or anything to measure that angle, we're just going to draw a vertical line from the bottom line up to the furthest right sixth line that we drew. Then we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side of the center vertical line. Okay, so now this is kind of where it gets a little tricky. It's going to be a little bit of a steeper line that we're going to draw here, but it's going to be from that same sixth line. We're going to do a line that goes up to the side of the circle, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side of that center vertical line. Once we do that, don't worry, I know this is a lot. We're just going to put in the features. Like I said, the mouth is going to be on this line here. Ugh, sorry, I'm writing with my mouth because not with my mouse, with my mouse. I'm writing with my mouse, the mouth line. Okay, and the mouth line is going to be about the width of these two sixth pieces right here. I'm sorry if you're blind and watching this. I'm trying to make it audio friendly, but it's kind of hard. And I imagine it's super hard to draw if you can't see. So kudos to you guys if you're blind and you're trying to do this. So that's where the mouth is going to go, and you can just do it however you want to do it. I'm not going to show you guys really how to draw the features because that's not really this video. It's just kind of showing you how to draw the head. Now on the nose line, it's going to be a little bit smaller than the mouth line. It can be about the same size, but you really want your nose to be smaller than the mouth. In the eyes, the eye line right above the nose, we're going to have the center of the pupils rest on the center of the or not on the center, on either side of the eye line. and then just draw in your eyes around that. And for the ears are going to be about from the top of the eye to the bottom of the nose. Okay, and for the eyebrows, I didn't put in a line for those, I don't think. So what you can do is from the eye line here to this hairline that's just above the eye line. Oh, I missed an eye. You can draw about halfway in between the eye and the hairline, and that's where your eyebrows are gonna lie. And then above that is this hairline. Now the hairline, it's a little more relaxed. You don't have to put it exactly here. You just kind of put it around here, but it's really based on the haircut, you know, because many people have different haircuts, so it doesn't really matter here. And I did say this was the top of the head up here. With this drawing, it did look a little off, so I just kind of added some hair, because this is the top of the head, but you got to remember people have hair, or a lot of people have hair, so it's not going to be real flush with this top line here. And this down here, we'll go back to the chin line. As you can see, my chin was this pointed thing here, but I changed it to fit with this character. I just changed up the shape of the chin, but I roughly kept the same kind of dimensions there. And boom, that is my final drawing. It could use some improvements, as could all artworks that I make and that really anybody makes, because people aren't perfect, you know, and that's just something that if you want to become an artist, or you want to just draw or do really anything, you just got to understand, you know, people aren't perfect. Try your best, and that's all you can do. Anyways, that has been my tutorial on how to draw a head. I hope you guys liked it. Please, please, please remember to share it. That is the most I really want from you, is to just share it with everybody that you know that you think would enjoy this. So until next time, see you later.